Good morning, children. So today's topic is bond parameters of chapter 4 chemical bonding and molecular structure. So bond parameter in which you will learn about bond parameter of covalent bonds. A covalent bond is characterized by certain bond parameters like bond length, bond angle, bond energy and bond order. So let's start with bond length in detail. Bond length is defined as equilibrium distance between the nuclei of two bonded atoms in a molecule. So A and B, that is AB, is a bond length of two atoms where the contribution of atom A and B is the contribution of atom B, and the covalent radius of A is RA and covalent radius of atom B is RB. So in this way, bond length equals to RA plus RB. So bond length decreases with an increase in the multiplicity of bond between any two bonded atom. For example, carbon triple bond length is 120 picometer, carbon double bond length is 133 picometer, and carbon single bond 154 picometer. Let's start with bond angle. For example, in water molecules, there are sp3 hybridization between OH bond S and P orbitals. And bond angle between these two orbitals is bond angle, and bond angle is expressed in degree and can be experimentally determined by spectroscopic method. So bond angle between two hydrogen atom is 104.5 degree. So the bond angle of molecule help to determine its shape also. So water molecule has angular shape. Let's begin with bond energy or bond enthalpy. It is defined the amount of energy required to break 1 mole of particular bond between two atoms. So in hydrogen molecule, that is 1 mole of hydrogen plus energy, that is bond energy, break one hydrogen molecule into two hydrogen atoms of 1 mole. So bond energy is expressed in kilojoule per mole. So bond energy, that is delta H. So large the bond energy or enthalpy of a bond, the higher its strength. So you can see in water oxygen molecule, bond energy is 498 kilojoule per mole. In this way, two atoms are separated. And in the case of polyatomic molecule, measurement of bond energy is little complicated. In case of water molecule, the enthalpy needed to break the two OH bond is not the same. So average bond energy is equals to 502 plus 427 divided by 2, that is equals to 465.5 kilojoule per mole. Now start with bond order. What is bond order? So bond order is given by the number of bond between two atoms in a molecule. If number of bond is 1, the bond order of our hydrogen molecule is 1. Bond order, if number of bonds are 2 between oxygen molecule, so bond order for oxygen molecule is 2. Similarly, bond order for nitrogen molecule, there is 3 bonds between them, so bond order is 3. In bond order between carbon monoxide, there are 3 bonds between them. So bond order is 3. In this module, you have learned about 4 bond parameters of a covalent bond. Bond length, it is the distance between the center of the nuclei of two bonded atoms in a covalent molecule. And bond angle, it is angle between the two orbits of the central atom of molecule that contain the bonding pairs of electron and bond in